Congratulations, because you got selected for a free call, and trust me, not everybody did get selected for this. If you have already completed the call with me, this next information bit is for you and for your business. So, this is what you and I can do together if you decide to work with me, and I promise you, this is going to change your business. So, pay attention to the information coming on the screen right now. I created a 7 step process for you so that you can achieve the end result in the new economy. There's a lot of thought process that went behind this, and this is how you will be able to solve through the course the problem that you're facing right now. Step number 1, we are going to analyze your product service idea in the current and future market. So the training will help you do that. In the second step, you will learn to adjust your product. Remember, your product needs to have a new fit, which is practical, which will involve 3 steps with technology. Can't do without it now. And your new revamp 5-step target audience filtration process. You will learn all this. Step number 3, you will learn to package this new product and come up with a budgeted marketing mix, because I understand that you may not have a lot of budget right now, and you will choose your 5 out of 200 digital and offline marketing platforms combined that I have got for you to start pitching this product in the new market with 6 steps telephone selling scripts. You will learn how to sell on phone or via video, which will also involve a virtual meeting script in the formula which is given to you over here. Don't worry too much about the formula. I'm going to explain all that to you when we work together. And you will also learn how to have virtual and social media enabled negotiations with 5 major current market objections that you are about to face or you're already facing. Okay, financing options, which is, can I pay in installments, collaborations with other people of how do you get those payments processed, how much amount should you charge for registration, and what do you do when the person says that they've got lack of interest, which means they're not committed to this. How can you move them ahead in the transaction? All this will be learned with help of technology in this training program. Step number 4, you're going to implement all this. Okay, and you're going to share with me between our first and second webinar 3 questions via mails that I'm going to answer for you. So you will implement this, and then you'll ask me, Ashish, these are the challenges I'm facing while implementing. How can I and what can I do about it? And I'm going to directly answer these questions for you via mail or in the second webinar. Number 5, you will learn how to market all this in the new world and learn how to follow up with a 15-50 follow-up process, which involves phone, social media, email, scripts, and virtual meetings all combined for follow-ups. Finally, okay, the last 2 steps have you negotiating deals which are stuck. Most deals are stuck, folks. You will learn how to move these stuck deals ahead in complicated negotiations. Even if you are not good at it, you will learn how to do complicated negotiations, because you need to learn this skill. Remember, I'm going to teach this to you in the second webinar. And finally, there we go, your future pipeline, your adjusted distance world economy profits for the remainder of financial year 2020-21. That's the plan. You should take this program if you're a genuine entrepreneur or an organization with definite interest in revamping your business on a very, very serious note. You will get lifetime access to additional 4 hours of content of my extraordinary salesman-woman course, which we give out to corporates as a huge support system for the physical trainings that we do. And you will receive an ISO certification of completing all these things. You will have a 180 to 360 degree makeover of your product and service. And finally, you will have the complete workbook of the training with scripts that I have mentioned over, so that you can revise this. I'm going to make that book for you and give it to you. That's about it. All you need to do now is make a decision for your future, for your business, for your dreams. I don't know of anybody who can do this with you at this level, and that too at that cost. I charge a bomb for this, but I'm doing this because I know when I started the business how scared I was, and I can just imagine what is happening in your mind, and I want to walk you through it because I know you will survive and you will thrive with me. You just need to give me your hand and we will do this together, my friend. Click on the link which is coming to you on an email or a WhatsApp that you have received, or which is flashing on this video right now, to complete your registration of just 5,000 rupees and get all this, get my assistance, and let's do this for your business and for your dream. Remember, you did not start this business to fail because of external circumstances. You did this because you had something in your soul that you wanted to achieve, and this is that moment where you and I revamp it. I hope I'll see you there, because if I do, I promise this would be amazing for you. Bye bye.